Hi guys, in this video I will show how you can quickly create break-even stop for an existing position on Interactive Brokers TWS using Excel. So let's get started. So I have opened the Excel tool and I've also logged into my Interactive Brokers TWS paper trading account. And as you can see, I am currently long in ITC 100 shares with average price of 401.78. Now, let's say I want to quickly create a break-even stop for this position. So all I need to do is go back to Excel, select this row and click on place tagged. This creates a sell stop order with stop price of 401.8 and quantity 100 shares. Now let me show you how I have set up this Excel. So the first section in this Excel sheet is the contract details section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. So for ITC stock contract, we need to specify symbol, that is ITC, security type, that is STK for stock, exchange, that is NSC for National Stock Exchange of India, currency, that is INR, and there are a few other fields as well in this section which I have currently hidden, as these are not required for a stock contract. But for example, if it's a option contract, then we will also need to specify the expiry, right, and strike. And for some contracts, we might also need to specify the primary exchange and the multiplier. So let's hide these fields for now. Next, we have the market data section. In this section, Excel automatically fetches live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in this section. So fields like bid, ask, last, current position, and average cost of the current position. So let's say if we change the symbol to Reliance, then this Excel will automatically fetch the market data for the Reliance contract. And since we don't have any existing position in the Reliance contract, these two columns are blank. There are a few other fields in this market data section as well that I have currently hidden, as they are not required for our case. So fields like high, low, close, delta, theta, and IV. Let's hide these columns for now. Let's change the symbol back to ITC. Next, we have the order details section. In this section, we specify the details of the order that we want to place. So since in our case, we want to place a stop order, we need to specify the action, quantity, and the stop field in the parent section. So I've used Excel formulas to specify these fields. So action is sell if the current position is greater than 0, else it's a buy. Quantity is absolute value of the current position, as position can be negative as well. And then for the stop, I have rounded the average cost of the current position up to 1 decimal place. So once we have set up this Excel, it becomes quite easy and quick to attach break-even stop loss to existing position or even multiple positions with a single click. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions, feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.